Hello, today I wish you a very good energy and I welcome you to G2 Resolved by Spiritual Jude. My name is Jude, and we've been doing so much of this spiritual herbs. Now, I want to take us into esotericism. Esotericism. This point of esotericism is where you use sigils, ancient sigils, to summon a manifestation of an intention. Okay, so for this, I want us to put in three intentions that I want to use to manifest this very right or this very ritual I want to teach you now. Now, let's assume we want to create a kind of energy or sigil energy that will manifest both abundance. It should be able to work to get abundance. It should be able to have structural ability and then give you, the summoner, the financial advantage. Okay, so now we have three things in one. One is we want to bring in a spirit as a sigil that can work, that will give us the advantage of work. It must have structural ability or capability. Then it must be able to accord us the financial advantage. Okay, now in that we have this. Okay, this is earth. Now, the earth is more like a symbol that will help you to manifest hard work. Okay, this is earth. You know, all the elements have their own sigils. So, this is earth. Now, when you bring earth, which will give us the spirit, will bring down the spirit or summoning the entity of hard work, then we have here Saturn. Saturn is a structural planet that limits, increases. It doubles the effects of any right you do. So this Saturn will bring structural ability in the order of work. And when you work, the earth brings abundance, which is the financial abundance. Then when you want to combine these two sigils into one, for the right you want to perform for yourself or for anyone who there to you, then this comes the second sigil. This second sigil is a combination a combination of the earth sigil and the Saturn sigil. Okay, so this earth sigil added to the Saturn sigil gives you this, the down. Now inside it is where I said N, which is your names, first name and your last name. Okay, or you can use this. Now you have two sigils to use. Is either you use one here or use this. So the inside this is sigils, is name, N. You put in your names. This is not the ones you use divine names. So in this, you put in the name in the middle. Then you look at the sigil very well. This is the sigil of Earth, a downward pointing triangle with a horizontal line. And this is a Saturn sigil, like a cross with a semicircle. Okay, now this is this. So when you've done this, inside this, You this is an entity, it has spoken everything. No need of writing more intentions again. What you do now is you put in your name inside that two angles, inside that two angles of N and N. Then you place it under a white candle. Now you can add uh you can use a parchment paper, like a sheep virgin parchment paper. Okay, I've shown you that in some videos. In a way, you can use that virgin parchment paper. Then once you write it, but because that virgin parchment paper has its own magical energy also already, so once you do this, you add it inside this, under this very candle. You can create a circle to make it holy, or it cannot, because inside this is a holy entity, the spirit already. But what you need to do is just normal purify yourself, either with alligator pepper, take a salt bath, do the banishing ritual of the pentagram or hexagram, or any other kind of cleansing rites you know how to do. You can use the alligator pepper cleansing, all thereabout. So once you do this, after you've done that, you burn the sigil. After the candle have burned down completely, you burn the sigil, you get the ash, you rub it on your palm, you blow it into the air to release the energy. Once you release the energy, you don't need to memorize the sigil. Once you release into the energy, it has manifested. This is a very powerful, powerful rite, So you try it, you do it, and you enjoy the effect. So you stay blessed for more coming your way. I'm your very good guy, Spiritual Jude. Stay blessed.